I've been in this insurance industry for over 30 years now, and one of the things that has kept me drawn to it is the state of constant change. Things are always changing, getting more interesting, and sometimes just harder. And one thing I wanted to share with you all today is, if you're out there looking for a home to buy, please consider the insurance impact of what you're buying. And what I mean by that is, you see a fixer-upper that you're going to turn into something undoubtedly wonderful, but what your insurance company is going to see: risk, exposure, and danger, because that's how insurance companies look at everything, honestly. But my point is that if you're thinking about buying a fixer-upper, you might want to reach out to your insurance agent. We're happy to help, and talk to somebody about the challenges that might face you in buying an older home to fix up. The challenges that might face you if you're unable to verify when that roof was put on that property, or if there is any active knob and tube wiring in that home, or what does the plumbing look like. These are all things that can come up during the purchase of a home when you're trying to work out the buying process. But here's what happens to a lot of folks: is you pick the home, you fall in love with the home, you start the process, you do the offer, and then you get closer down the road to sort of the whole financing piece and all the rest of it. And what happens there is, that's when you find out there's a problem. Because now you start to call insurance agents and find out how much it is to insure this house that you love, and you find out that it's kicking you out of your debt to income ratio that your bank is trying to get for you. So if you're thinking about buying an older home, you're thinking about buying a fixer-upper, and also let me throw in there, if you're thinking about buying a mobile home, lots of fantastic mobile homes out there, and some of them are a little bit on the older side, but they're still fantastic. But you know what? They can present an insurance problem as well. So in your best interest, if you just reach out to an agent and find out what it's going to take to insure that property that you're falling in love with, so that you know the financial impact of that. You know what might need to be repaired before you're even able to insure it. Maybe you have to insure it in a little bit higher price market for the first year, but then if you fix a few things, you can get it into a better market. So these are all things that we can't encourage you enough to check into early in the buying process, I should say. And it might just help get you into that home that you desire without any big, ugly financial surprises along the way. Thanks for stopping by. We hope this helped.